Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, make sure to hit that subscribe button. Today is the day that our vehicle that we won, the Porsche Panamera, arrives from Insurance Auto Auctions in Montana. So we're just gonna wait for it to come. It should be coming a little bit later today. Well, the car finally arrived 5 hours later, and it took about 2 weeks from the auction end to actually get here from Montana. So we're gonna get a closer look, and hopefully the damage is just like it looked on the pictures, because when you're bidding online, you're bidding blind only from pictures. So get a closer look. So far so good. The car looks just like it did in the pictures, and all the damage that I already estimated. On the back of the vehicle and on the passenger side, there's no damage, just minor little scuffs. So our main focus to repair is going to be all in the left front. When you see this windshield, it's literally going to look like this person hit another person. Yeah, this is a little scary, but an animal, I think a deer, hit this car. So I just replaced the battery. It's gonna be the first try to see if this thing runs. You can see I got power right there. Go ahead and put the key in, and let's see what happens. Oh, and we got power. Yeah, I'm not gonna run it too long because I don't know if this thing got oil in it. Only way you could check is through here, and it's actually not showing up right now. So I'm just gonna wait a little bit. You can see all the glass in here. It's crazy. But overall, the interior is actually really clean. Once you get a good vacuum, get all this glass up, clean up the leather a little bit, it's actually almost in mint condition. So these are some of the original pictures from Insurance Auto Auctions, what we were actually bidding on online. So I did go ahead and get all the parts ordered up that we need, and we'll cover that all in the next video. Stay tuned for more videos to come on this Porsche Panamera build. If you guys have any questions, go ahead and comment. Don't forget to like this video, and please don't forget to subscribe.